Fighters, this week, I am dropping total fire for you on the contractor fight. Listen, I'm dropping 4 bonus episodes for you, breaking down the top 4 reasons that most contractors never crack $1 million. Now listen, we're going to expose the landmines that are blowing up your growth right now. And next week, we're going to show you how to obliterate them. In fact, on May 20th, 21st, and 22nd, I'm hosting the Million Dollar Contractor Workshop for you. It's a 3-day kick-ass event to show you how to punch these obstacles in the throat and get to $1 million. If you want in, it's $15. That gets you access. That's $5 a day, $5 damn dollars a day to get access and to invest in the one thing that matters the most in your business, and that is you. Here's the cool thing though. 100% of that money that comes in goes directly to the Wounded Warrior Project. So not only are you leveling up and working on you and investing in you, you get to actually do something that matters and helps other people, and you do some good as well. So listen, if you are serious about hitting $1 million, stop dicking around, stop playing games, and register at thecontractorfight.com/million. All right? If you're serious about this, go there and register. All right? If you're listening to this, I know that you're worth investing $5 into yourself in, all right? So quit making excuses. All right, and for those of you that rode the short bus like me, I'll drop the domain again where you can register. Go to thecontractorfight.com/million. That's thecontractorfight.com/million. And let's get busy making the path, showing you the way, blowing up those obstacles to get you to $1 million. I'm out. All right, so 90 out of 100 contractors are never going to hit $1 million in revenue. And guys, that's just not sad. That's just total bullshit. I mean, if you're under $1 million, you don't really own a real business. I mean, sorry to break it to you, you don't own a real business. In fact, you own a glorified job with 10 times the stress and 1/10 of the damn freedom that you want as a business owner. At under $1 million a year, you're barely paying yourself, let alone hiring a badass team to help take the load off. You're stuck in the endless loop of 60, 80, 90-hour weeks doing things that you shouldn't be doing. Vacation? What's that? When you're under $1 million, yeah, you might be able to go out and get away for a few days on a vacation, but you're still chained to your phone the whole damn time. And listen, I get it. I was there too. Under $1 million, I was buried in stress, pretending it was normal to bust my ass the way I was, working myself into the ground every day. Guys, that's no way to run a business. That's a job. You own a job, and you got all the overhead that goes along with having a job that probably isn't paying enough money to begin with. Guys, you can't scale chaos, you can't scale exhaustion, and you sure as hell can't scale broke-ass thinking. And that's why I'm running this daily series this week, the top 4 reasons that contractors never break $1 million. And the first step to winning is you got to see the enemy clearly, because this is a war. This is the fight. You got to name the enemy. You got to identify the enemy, and you got to smash the enemy. Before we go any further, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss a single episode of this series. Because once you see all 4 of these barriers for what they are, you're finally going to know how to fucking obliterate them. All right? And the first one we're dropping today, it's all about your numbers. That's the number 1 obstacle. And if you don't know your numbers, you're just guessing, and guessers don't win in business. So to avoid this guessing, if you want to hit $1 million, you first have to hit 250. Then you got to hit 500 and so on. But way too many contractors, they don't have a clue what they're making. I mean, this drives me nuts. I can't tell you how many times I have a conversation with a contractor who's struggling, who says he wants to get to $1 million, and he doesn't even know what he made last week, doesn't know what he made last month, has to check with his CPA to see what they've sold this year so far. Guys, that's bullshit. You have to know exactly where you're at when it comes to your numbers. All right? You got to start there. You have to have a pulse on that stuff every single day. You should know things like how many leads are coming into the business. What is my close rate? What's the average job size? What lead sources are our most profitable? Which ones should we dump? Where are we wasting money and suffocating our own lives and businesses? All right? You have to put your eyeballs on these things every single day. just a few minutes a day. Now listen, I don't care if you use a spreadsheet. I don't care if you use a fancy CRM. I don't care if you use a chisel and a damn stone, okay, to track this shit. I don't care. But you need to understand your numbers like the back of your hand. That is number one starting point. This is the number one obstacle. You have to know exactly where you're at right now. Knowing exactly where you're at right now is the starting point. Once you identify where you're at right now, you got to figure out exactly where you want to go. The problem with most contractors when it comes to their numbers is they're not specific enough about what they're going after. They're too vague with things. They just go, oh, maybe I'll hit $1 million someday. Or, I go, what are your goals this year? Well, I just want to grow my business. What the fuck does that mean? What does it mean? Think about it. When's that going to be? When are you going to hit $1 million? Is it going to be this year? Is it going to be next year? Is it going to be 3 years from now? 10 years from now? Okay. And by the way, once you identify that, how exactly are you going to get there? What's the routine? What are the habits? What are the steps that you need to take right now that you have control over that are going to help you become $1 million contractor? How do your routines need to change? Who do you need to become as a person to reach $1 million in sales? Because it's different than the person that got you to 250. It's different than the person that got you to 500 and 750 and so on. Every level of your business that you want to grow and you want to change, you have to become someone else and put to death that prior version of you, or else you're going to continue to get stuck exactly where you're stuck right now unless you change that identity. So what exactly needs to change right now for you to be $1 million business? You got to get clear on where you're at. You got to get clear on exactly where you want to go. None of this vague bullshit anymore. In the military, people that shoot weapons and stuff like that, there's a saying that says, aim small, miss small. Meaning if you're putting your crosshairs on a small target, you want to shoot somebody, aim at the button on the damn shirt, okay? Because if you don't hit exactly at the button, it'll just be close to the button, all right? But if you're just broadly setting these goals, you're going to have a serious problem. So guys, once you're clear on where you are, once you're clear on where you want to be, then you could start filling in the gap between A and B, where you are and where you want to be. What knobs do you need to turn in your business to make the adjustments for the growth that you want to have? For most of you, I bet one of those knobs is pricing. Okay? Of course, there's a certain way to do this so that you close more at those sales, but you got to know your numbers. For some other people, maybe your pricing's dialed in or your numbers are dialed in. Maybe it's your sales. Maybe it's your marketing. Maybe it's the way you're recruiting and leading and the way you're building your culture. There are a few specific ways that can get you from A to B the fastest. And that's something that we're going to be breaking down on next week's $1 Million Contractor Workshop, May 20th, 21st, and 22nd. Again, as I said before, it's just a minimum of $15 to get going on this thing, all right? And to join and be part of this workshop. And by the way, 100% of those proceeds go to Wounded Warriors. So go ahead and sign up at thecontractorfight.com/million. Again, that's thecontractorfight.com/million. Type it in your little gadget, your little phone. Okay, don't do it if you're driving. I don't want you to crash and not go home to your family tonight, all right? But once you go there, click the sign up now button. And then show up next week and be ready to put some work in. Be ready to learn. Grab a pencil, grab a notebook, because we're going to talk about the exact steps that need to happen to get you busting through that $1 million sales mark in your business and on your path to making way more money and having the freedom that you want. So take the damn notes, refer to the notes, and do what we teach. Now, for those that rode the short bus like me, I'm going to drop that website again. thecontractorfight.com/million. Hit it, sign up, get ready, show up, be all in, and be focused. I'll see you there. I'm out.